Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll show you some quick and easy ways to fix screen flickering on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, simply restart your phone. A quick reboot can clear out temporary glitches and may stop the flickering issue right away. Second can be to disable adaptive brightness. For that, go to Settings and then tap on Display and then on Adaptive Brightness and switch it off. Sometimes automatic brightness adjustments can cause the screen to flicker. Third step can be to boot into safe mode. If the issue continues, try booting your phone into safe mode to check if a third-party app is causing the problem. To do this, hold the power button, tap and hold power off until you see the option for safe mode, and then tap OK. In safe mode, only system apps run. If the flickering stops, installed app might be the cause. Uninstall recently added apps one by one. Another step can be to clear cache. For that, go to Settings and then to Storage. Okay, for now, I'll just be choosing apps and let me go to Snapchat. Here, you can just tap on Clear Cache to clear it. You can also use a built-in device care tool if available. If none of the steps work, your last option is a factory reset, but back up your data first. For that, go to Settings, scroll down, locate System and tap on it. Tap on Reset Options and then on Erase All Data Factory Reset. Only do this if nothing else fixes the issue. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the screen flickering issue on your Android device. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.